you have to crack each backbone when you're
Because the meat will come easy.
Yes.
See? Before you
Cut open the shell first.
not the meat.
Don't open the meat or else it's gonna get bad.
Come from here.
Eat how, and then you put it on top like that. It makes it look beautiful.
Before cooking.
Yes.
Steam.
We're gonna steam it. You're supposed to bring this into a pan or anything. Got paprika, salt, pepper, minced garlic. Then we pour some butter on all of them equally, not a lot on each one. Going in the oven under broil at high 1.